Tonight, we're going to unbox the HYTE Y70 PC case. And then, as soon as I get done unboxing it, I'm going to box it back up and I'm sending it back to them because it's, well, watch the video and you'll hear why. Well, in this video, we unbox the highly anticipated HYTE Y70 PC case and give you an in-depth look at its features and its design. However, after close inspection, we encountered some issues that led us to the decision to return this to the manufacturer. Join us as we walk you through the unboxing process, share our honest thoughts on this product. If you're in the market for a new PC case, be sure to watch until the end and hear why we ultimately decided to send the HYTE Y70 back and what we'll be looking for in a replacement. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more techs unboxings. Overall, we're not satisfied with the quality of this product. We've decided to return it to the manufacturer for a replacement and refund. It's disappointing to have to go through the hassle of returning a product, but we believe in holding companies accountable for their products. When this product comes, we paid $219 for it. Just in the last month, I bought a Monitech Pro, and I've bought a few Corsairs in the past. When we get it out of the box, we instantly notice that this thing is plastic, thin glass, and very lightweight pot metal. And there's no fans, there's no controllers for fans, and it's exactly twice as expensive as the Monitech, which was heavier, had thicker glass, and actually, if you notice, I'm running this video at 2x speed. And the reason I'm doing it is because it's not worth spending 14 minutes to review this box. I immediately noticed it's lightweight, it's very thin pot metal, plastic floor, and the panels on it are plastic, and the glass is very thin. I paid $219 for this case, and it has no fans, it has no controller. As you'll see, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to see how you can fit 3 fans in the back, right where I was showing there. On the bottom, they say you can fit 3 fans, but you can't bolt in 3 fans. You can get 3 fans to fit in there as long as you don't bolt in the 2 that are in the side that's in that you can't underneath the bottom, because it kind of has a angle coming up where you can't get to a bolt. One of the features about it is that you can put your video card or your video card sideways. In other words, set it on the floor. That's a good feature, but you know, you can do that with any case for about $15. At $219, and then you have to figure these Be Quiet fans that I'm using here. You have to have, they're about $150 to buy enough to fill up this case. And they don't come with a controller, they come with a hub. But what I'm noticing is how thin this pot metal is. And if you see the floor right there, right above where my hand is, that's plastic. This thing is really lightweight, and the glass is really thin. And the other problem is the big sale on this case is that they have a touchscreen. Then you find out that I purchased it and thinking, well, as soon as they got the touchscreens in, I would buy. You're allowed to buy a touchscreen separate for about $150. Then, then it might be a pretty cool looking case. Other than that, touchscreen doesn't really do much other than looks. But by the time you pay $219, $150 for fans, then you're at $375, and then another $150. You're almost up to $500 to have this touchscreen case working. And I'm telling you, when they sell these things, they're probably laughing because it is very inexpensive for them to build. And I'm used to Corsairs. I was really impressed with that Monotech King that we just did a build with. And I made the decision. I already knew right when I was sitting there talking. I already knew at that point that this box was going to go back. I went on Amazon. I asked for a refund. I got it, and the very same day I took it down to the UPS store and watched it go on to the UPS truck on its way back, and they're telling me in a few days I'll get my money back. But if I hadn't bought that Monotech King, it wouldn't have been so obvious how thin and cheap this case was. But I got caught up. All those reviewers and all those PC build people, they get them for free from HYTE, and then they put them for sale at the bottom of their video, and they make profit on that. They can sell, if they can sell 1,000 of these, they make pretty good money, and they don't tell you the truth. No real computer guy would want this cheap, thin box. And I'm going to conclude it with that. It is going back, and well, it's already gone back. By the time you watch this video, that PC case is probably going to be back to the manufacturer. The touchscreen, I think that's a fad. That's a trend. There's going to be a lot of PC case manufacturers come out with touchscreens in the future. Wait, get one of the better cases with the touchscreen. You're gonna have to wait anyway because you couldn't buy a touchscreen unless you went on eBay and overpaid for it. In summary, I want to apologize because the cat right here, he decided to start screaming and yelling during the middle of my video, and I just kept talking because I want to be done with this video. This product, it kind of bothers me that the big PC builders and the big reviewers gave this a outstanding review. I mean, it does look shockingly good looking, but it's really thin. It's not worth the money. If you're going to spend $219, you can get a good PC case with some fans in it. You can get it I'm guessing this case weighs almost just a little bit over half of what that Monotech case weighed. I was really impressed with the Monotech, and then I've really been impressed with a few of the Corsairs that I've had. So I'm going to end this with that. I know I'm going to get some comments, and everybody's got their opinion, but my opinion, put this PC case on a truck going back to the manufacturer.